Bore da pawb, gobeithio chi'n iawn. Sesiwn arall heddi o Ffit Yn 5. A ni'n mynd i wneud sesiwn Olympaidd eto. Fi'n gwybod na Steve wneud un arall dydd Llun gyda chi. Bydd y 5 gweithgaredd, 4, be fi siarad beth ti? 5 gweithgaredd, ni'n gweithio am munud, gyda gorffwys yn y canol, a ni 5 pethau wahanol. So 5 peth wahanol yw mountain climbers, ni'n gwybod mae dringo yn yr Olympaidd. So i wneud hwnna, ni'n mynd lawr a llawr, a ni'n dod gyda coesau lan, a swapo nhw draw, a cadw corff gryf ar top, Yr ail un, ni'n mynd i wneud bach o seiclo, mae loads o beicio. Mountain biking, there's road racing. So i wneud hwnna, ni'n mynd i gorwedd lawr, we're going to lie on our backs, coesau lan, a ni'n just mynd round and round. You can go nice and slow and extend, neu you can go quick fel hyn. Trydydd un, the third one. We know the women's British football team are doing really well, so ni'n gwneud bach o pêl-droed. Ni'n mynd i rhedeg lan, 1 volley, 2 volley, jog o nôl. Cofia nawr pan ni'n gwneud hwn, keep your foot locked. We don't want a floppy foot because the ball will go somewhere else. Nôl, volley, volley. Pedwerydd un, bach o tennis. Ni'n gwybod Andy Money dal mewn yn y doubles. So, brech mas, low to high. Fel ti'n rhoi high five i rhywun. Gallu swap o round. Wedyn allu wneud volleys, ni'n gallu rhoi dros y pen a lawr. Ewn ni siarad mwy am beth i hwnna pan ni'n dod at y tennis. A wedyn yr un ola, bach o pêl volley, volleyball. Pêl yn dod lan, ni'n gwybod we have to get it over the big net. Ond mae blockers fanna hefyd. So mae'r blockers yn rhedeg lan. Fi'n gwybod YouTube, fi wedi rhedeg mas o lle. Ond ti'n jumpo lan, a ti'n mynd i bloco'r pêl, So jog, jog, jog. 2-footed jump. Cofio pan chi'n glanio, remember when you're landing, soft knees, little bend, big block at the net. Di pawb yn hapus gyda hwnna. Good. Mae fi mor dwym eto. Ni'n mynd i mynd syth mewn, Fi'n mynd i cael quick sip o dŵr. Mae teledu fi arno. Mae rygbi arno ar y foment, sevens. Gymryd da ar y foment. Prydain yn ennill. Sy'n good. Pa'n barod? Mountain climbers, lawr ar y llawr. Off a ni. Dringo mynydd. Lwcus yn Ceredigon. Mae lot o nhw gyda ni. Ti'n gallu mynd yn gyflym neu yn slo bach, lan i chi. Fi'n mynd i mynd slo bach, achos fi newid effro. Da iawn. Quick break yn y canol. Stretch o mas, mae'n gweithio coesau ni. Core stability. Breichiau ni. Bach o popeth. Pa'n barod, nôl lawr. Os chi moyn, if you want, you can go knee to the opposite elbow. Just i newid it. Or you can just go straight. Treiliad. Oedd hwnna'n tough. Seiclo, ni'n mynd ar y llawr. 10 eiliad. Siglo coesau mas. Mynd nôl ar eich cefn, go back onto your back. And you just mynd round and round. Find yourself comfortable. If it's comfy, to put your hands behind your head. The That's fine. Da iawn. Eto, gwyddo hips ni fan hyn. Coesau. A obviously bach o cardio fyd. Bach o rest. Da iawn. Rugby, 5-5 nawr. Argentina have pulled the score back. Ooh, no lawr. Slow bach. Oh. I can go uphill. Oh, fi'n mynd lan pendinas. Oh. Ar y beic, slow bach. Really gweithio'r coesau. Oh! Da iawn pawb. Football passes. Pasio pêl droed. Siglo fe mas. Quick sip o dŵr. Oh, Argentina wedi sgoro try arall. Jog lan. Volley. Volley. Jog nôl. Da iawn. Fi'n defnyddio trad i wneud rhain o'r foment, ni gallu newid y lan. We can do passes with our head. Ar y foment, instep, ni'n defnyddio. Da iawn. Good. Tro yma, pan ni'n mynd lan, ni'n mynd i wneud volley gyda laces. Okay, so ni'n spinnu pop. Bang, a nôl. Da iawn, off ni. Volley, volley, a nôl. Good. You can do as fast as slow as you want. Volley, volley. Da iawn. Os mae rhywun yn y tŷ yn gallu taflu pêl at y tŷ soft, mae'n ffain fyd. Un arall, benni off, right foot, left foot, a nôl. Good. Tennis. Ni'n mynd i wneud 30 eiliad, full hand. Okay. Cofio swap o trad i cael balans. A wedyn ewn ni wneud couple of volleys. Okay, up to the net. Volley nôl. Up to the net. Left hand low to high, okay? Low to high. Isel I uchel. Bach o top spin ar y pêl. Da iawn, 10 eiliad. Da iawn. Yr un nesaf, bydd ni'n taflu'r pêl lan, okay, a ni'n mynd i wneud volley lawr. A wedyn swap o droso, so ni'n tynnu nôl, a dros y top. Okay, pêl lan, tynnu nôl, dros y top. Okay, swap over. Pêl lan, tynnu nôl, dros y top. Swap o droso. Tynnu nôl, dros y top. Pêl lan, tynnu nôl, dros y top. Un arall, go on, can we win? Benny off. Oh, ace. Got the ace. Da iawn. A ni benni off the volley, so ni'n tebyg, trydig at the net. Two-handed jump, okay? Falle, YouTube, ddim yn gallu weld. Right, stretch o lan I bloco'r smash. Da iawn. Ar net. Whoop. Good block. A nôl. Two-footed jump. Glanio. Remember to land with your soft knees. Good block, guys. Da iawn. 12 seconds. Da iawn. Last one. Good. Been in block unwaith to. We're going to block again. Defensive minded, okay, today. Block it off. Block the shot. Okay. Da iawn. A nôl. Block. I'm hitting my roof. That's how big I'm jumping. Ato. 2-footer. Caro fynd. 10 eiliad. Un arall. Da iawn pawb. Sip o dŵr, cedr o gwmpas. Siglo popeth allan. Anadu trwy trin, breathe through your nose. Slow popeth lawr. Mas trwy ceg. Good. We're going to hold a hamstring stretch. Fel arfer, fi'n neud QR, I do the chicken stretch. We're going to hold it this time. Good way of increasing our flexibility. Hold it. So you should feel it. Os fi'n troi'r ochr. My left leg's got a bend. My right leg, nice and straight. I've been taking it right in the cefn. If you don't feel it, sit a bit further down. I know I'm blending in with the wall, but that was my bum going down, okay? Sit into it. Da iawn. Swap o droso. This might be better because I've got the radiator. Straight leg. Eista mewn. A fi'n teimlo hwnna'n syth, okay? Feel that straight away. On os di moyn, just sit a little bit deeper. Hold the stretch. Da iawn. For the flexibility, we're holding it a little bit longer, okay? Quads nawr. And I siarad, so quads needs pigo coes lan, dala fe, get your balance, and hold. Di Gwener, bydd ni'n neud session bach wahanol. Friday, we do a little bit of a different session. We're going to be using a chair, okay? So maybe you know someone that uses a wheelchair. Could be a family member, could be someone in school. Ni'n mynd neud session fel na, okay? We're going to do a session using the chair. So, falle bydd angen pêl. Fi'n mynd i siarad gyda un o ffrindiau fi. I'm going to speak to one of my friends. See what they recommend. Okay. A di Gwener, 9:30. Bydd ni'n neud session yn fyw, defnyddio cader. Okay. So cadw llygad mas ar social media. Falle fori, bydd ni'n gweud chi angen pêl tennis neu pêl soft, just so ni'n gallu neud y session. Okay. Ond am hwnna, gobeithio nath chi gyd mwynhau. I hope everyone's enjoying the summer holidays. Okay, had some lovely weather, get some fresh air and be active. Okay, da iawn pawb. Ta-ta.